Are you listening to me? Are you really listening? Because what I'm about to tell you isn't some feel-good, fluffy garbage to scroll past and forget in 5 seconds. This is raw. This is real. This is the voice you've been ignoring inside you, the one that's screaming to be unleashed. Look around you. Look at the faces in your life. Look in the mirror. Do you see potential? Or do you see compromise? Do you see dreams burning bright or flickering embers of what could have been? Don't lie to me, and more importantly, don't lie to yourself. Because I know what you carry. I know the weight you've been dragging, the disappointments you've swallowed, the voices that told you no, that laughed in your face, that whispered you weren't good enough. They chipped away at you, didn't they? Little by little, day by day, they tried to bury you. They wanted you quiet. They wanted you compliant. They wanted you small. And maybe, just maybe, for a while, you let them win. You shrank back. You dimmed your light. You started believing their lies. You looked at the mountain in front of you and thought, it's too high. I'm too weak. I'm not built for this. Stop. Stop right there. Because that voice, that whiny, pathetic voice telling you to quit, that's not you. That's the fear talking. That's the doubt they planted inside your head, taking root and choking the very life out of your ambition. I'm here to rip that doubt out by its roots. I'm here to grab you by the shoulders and shake you awake. Because beneath that fear, beneath that self-doubt, underneath all the layers of not good enough that they've piled on you, there's a fire, a raging, unstoppable inferno of potential just waiting to explode. You feel it, don't you? A flicker in your gut, a twitch in your fingers, a primal urge to break free. That's not some fleeting feeling. That's your purpose, screaming to be heard. That's your destiny calling your name. And you're going to ignore it. You're going to let those whispers of negativity drown out the thunderous roar of your own greatness. You're going to let their doubts become your reality. Are you kidding me? Have you forgotten who you are? Have you forgotten the battles you've already fought? The scars you've earned? The times you stumbled, fell, and got back up, stronger, fiercer, more determined than before? You think those were accidents? You think you just survived by chance? No, you survived because deep down, you're a warrior, a fighter, a force of nature, and you've been acting like a victim. You've been playing small. You've been hiding your power because you were scared of what they might say, what they might think. Let me tell you something. They don't matter. Their opinions are worthless. Their negativity is poison. The only voice that matters is yours. The only opinion that counts is the one you have of yourself. And right now, I'm telling you to raise that opinion. Shatter those limiting beliefs. Tear down the walls of self-doubt that you've built around yourself. Because those walls, they're not protecting you. They're trapping you. They're suffocating your potential. You were born for more than this. More than average. More than mediocre. More than just getting by. You were born to soar, to conquer, to leave your mark on this world in a way that no one else can. Stop waiting for permission. Stop waiting for the perfect moment. Stop waiting for someone to tell you it's okay. It's okay right now. It's okay to be bold. It's okay to be ambitious. It's okay to want more. It's your damn right. Look at everything you've ever admired. Look at every single achievement that's ever inspired you. Do you think those people got there by playing it safe? By listening to the naysayers? By being afraid to fail? Hell no. They charged forward with reckless abandon. They dared to dream bigger than anyone thought possible. They stumbled, they fell, they bled, but they never gave up, and neither will you. Starting now. I don't care what your past looks like. I don't care about your mistakes. I don't care about your failures. Those are just lessons. Fuel for the fire. They've made you stronger. They've forged you into the unbreakable weapon you are meant to be. The only mistake you can make now is to do nothing, to stay still, to let this moment pass you by. Because this isn't just a speech. This is a wake-up call. This is a chance to finally, truly, honestly, choose yourself. Choose to fight for your dreams. Choose to believe in your potential. Choose to unleash the greatness that's been caged inside you for far too long. Are you scared? Good. Fear is a liar, but fear is also a compass. It points you towards exactly where you need to go. It shows you the boundaries you need to break. It's a sign that you're on the edge of something extraordinary. So embrace the fear. Harness it. Let it fuel your fire even brighter. Because fear in your heart becomes fire in your soul. Forget about being comfortable. Comfort is the enemy of progress. Comfort is a prison disguised as a safe space. You're not meant to be comfortable. You're meant to be challenged. You're meant to be tested. You're meant to push your limits until they shatter into a million pieces. And when they do, you don't stop. You keep pushing. You keep striving. You keep becoming more. Because the moment you settle, the moment you become complacent, that's the moment you start dying inside. Life is not about existing. It's about living. It's about experiencing. It's about creating. It's about making a difference. And you have the power to do all of it. Right here. Right now. So what are you waiting for? Are you waiting for a sign? This is your sign. Are you waiting for someone to give you permission? I'm giving you permission. Are you waiting for the perfect circumstances? They don't exist. You create the perfect circumstances. You forge your own destiny. Stop hesitating. Stop overthinking. Stop making excuses. The time for talk is over. The time for action is now. Get on your feet. Stand tall. Look yourself in the mirror and say it out loud. I am unstoppable. Say it again. I am unstoppable. Say it until you believe it. Because it's the truth. It's who you are. It's who you were always meant to be. Now go out there and prove it. Prove it to yourself. Prove it to the doubters. Prove it to the world. Go out there and build your dream. Chase your passion. Conquer your fears. And never, ever, ever look back. This is your moment. This is your time. This is your wake-up call. Now go.